Surprisingly enough, federal employees, I'm getting leads from Revenex, appointments. I don't deal with leads, by the way. But I get appointments from 80% of my appointments last year came from Revenex. But I do have people, federal employees, who are looking for someone, and they call me up. Say, Mr. Dye, I'm a federal employee, you know, can you help me out? And I said, you know, I asked them, where did you get my name? Do you mind if I ask, where did you get my name from? They said, yeah, I looked you up. I said, okay, cool. They looked me up on LinkedIn or someplace, Google, someplace they got my name from, because I'm all over Google and LinkedIn. You guys feel free to look me up, Marvin Dutton Retirement.
I already did.
You see what I mean?
I got you.
See, you didn't tell me until I asked.